Hello friends. Welcome back. Hope so you are good by the grace of God. In this video I want to show you how to insert QR code in Microsoft Excel. Many times you don't want to search. On this time QR code may help you. Simply scan QR and URL will open. To do this, let's start. Open Microsoft Excel. Increase the size of cell. Duplicate it. Let's create QR code for Google. YouTube. Facebook. And Twitter. Now click on Insert. And click on Get Add-ins. In this search box, write QR for Office. Add this add-in to insert QR code in Microsoft Excel. Enter URL here to encode. Click on this arrow button. And select HTTPS. Our first link is google.com for Google. Write it here. Select color and background color for QR code. Adjust size of QR code. In preview, check preview of your QR code. And click Insert. Set it on the front of Google. Now our second cell is YouTube. Again go to URL and write youtube.com here. Select color. I choose blue for YouTube. And gray for background. Adjust size. Check preview. And click Insert. Set it on the front of YouTube. Third cell is Facebook. Again go to URL. And write facebook.com here for Facebook. Select a color, I choose red for Facebook. And gray for background. Check preview. And click on Insert. Set it on the front of Facebook. Now we have last cell, that is Twitter. Now again go to URL. And type twitter.com here. Select a color, I select green for Twitter. And gray for background. Check preview. And click on Insert. Set it on the front of Twitter. You can see our 4 QR codes are ready. Now we have not need to search these in Google search box. Simply scan QR and go to website. Hope so this video is also very useful for you. Like this video. And share it with others. Consider subscribing to watch more videos like this. Thank you.